This video is a preview reel to basically show you what's in store for the month of December. What's going on, guys? This is O from CLO Ed TV. In this video, I'm going to give you a channel update. I really appreciate all the viewers, all the likes, comments, and subscriptions. And as the channel continues to grow, I'll be sure to update you with new videos. So this video is a preview reel to basically show you what's in store for the month of December. For the first segment, we're going to get into a desk build. This challenged every aspect of my carpentry skills, from basically putting the top together all the way down to welding and fabrication. So without further ado, let's chop, drill, and weld. Hope you enjoyed that segment, and if you have any build ideas you would like to send to me or see on the channel, just message me. In the next segment of this December preview reel, we're going to get into actual engineering and building water vessels. That's right, we're going to take an inflatable kayak and motorize it with an electric motor. Now in this segment of the video, everything but the tubes is custom built, such as this rudder here, which is CNC cut and attached to a dowel. Also this custom made trolling motor, which at the top has 3D printed casings and all the mechanics inside. More details on the video as to how this was built. This is where the propeller or the prop is attached. This is an example of the prop that actually drove the kayak through the water. Now this is a 3D printed part. So I'm gonna stop talking about this segment. Let's check out some footage in this preview reel. Next segment of this preview reel, we're going to look into 3D printing. Very excited about the 3D printing film. When this comes out, I'm going to talk about details on how to get precision prints, the types of printing, and the different ways you can use 3D printing in your everyday life. I wanted to start here with this Xbox One controller stand. Now right here, it's a very stylish and convenient design, and with 3D printing, it helps you to stay organized. Now, the interesting thing about 3D printing, you can pick different filaments and all sorts of things, but this is an example of how you can actually use 3D printing to organize your games. Next up, you might want to organize your home. So say for example, if you want to organize your fridge, here's a custom egg tray in which you can hold different eggs in there. And the interesting thing about 3D printing is you can customize your print colors, your filaments, so that way if you want to color match or change a theme around your house, you can do it. But here's an example of an egg tray that is 3D printed. Sometimes you'll need a tool in a pinch, and 3D printing is a great way to access those tools. So I'll give you an example here. Here is a 3D printed wrench, and all you do is you print this out, then you add your piece to the wrench, and then you can add your bit to the wrench, just like that. But basically, this is an interesting way that you can use 3D printing to create tools that you can use. Also, tools that may be more on the expensive side, such as this pocket jig here, okay, and also this corner round jig here. 3D printing can be used for all sorts of various constructions and measurements. And last but not least, before we get into the film reel, if you can't find a particular part, guess what? You can customize and design your own. This is one of my designs here, and what this does is it's a battery holder for a Hoover vacuum. And all you have to do is take your battery, which is right here, take your holder, and snaps in there. You can also hang it on the wall, so that way you don't have to hold your batteries in a box or put them on a countertop to keep your counters clean. But I've got some B-rolls on some items on the table, but actually we're going to get into some of the footage. Alright guys, in this segment we're going to talk about renewable energy. And if you haven't seen my solar video, make sure to check that out above in the box above, and you can actually learn some things about how to utilize solar for your own personal use. Now this channel will showcase various renewable energy videos because that's the trend in the future, what's going on. Basically, it's better to save money and learn these processes as you go. So CLO Ed TV is going to be hosting renewable energy videos on occasion. So in this preview reel, you're going to learn more about the Stirling engine, which takes heat energy from air and uses that air to push the piston around and moves the engine. Let's check it out in this section. Good. Okay, you guys made it back, okay? Hopefully you enjoyed that segment. But we're on to our last segment, guys. This is the videos for December, and we're gonna have a few special videos in between. Last segment is gonna be graphic design, okay? So this is just an example of logo design, okay? And in our videos, we're gonna go over logo design and how they actually put them on merchandise. So this coaster right here has got one of the mascots of the channel. And let's check out this segment for the last preview for December in this video. Let's go to the video. Guys, well, I hope you have a wonderful day, and tune in to CLO Ed TV to learn more about graphics design, engineering, art, and much more. Guys, I enjoyed making this preview reel. Make sure to check out these videos for the month of December. It's going to be a lot of cold days, and while you're cozied up in front of the fire, make sure that you check out and enjoy those videos Share with your friends and family. And as always, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Check out the descriptions in the bottom of the video. There you'll find web links to my merch and my stores, and also social media. Thanks again, have a great day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.